Hi, I'm Pete from Fence-Line, and what I'm discussing today is our StayPoints, our newer version of the StayPoints. So these are the two products, part A, part B, and what they do is fasten a stay to a steel strainer post and or wood. So all they do is they clip together like that. We have two sizes. The 2-inch ones for extra light wall pipe. The 1.5-inch one is for medium size wall, and they're the stay sizes you need to use that have been tested. All we do now is drill a hole in the post anywhere between 800 and the top of the post for height. You put the hole where it suits your wires, so you drill your hole, and you'll see here with this turn up at the end, you can't put the stay point directly in. You've got to lift it up and lower it in. So I'll put this in the stay and show you. And that turn up at the end stops the stay coming out while you're setting it up. It just won't fall out. For more information, you can click on the link in the description to visit our website or to place an order.